Hi, I'm Sarah, and this is Ask Me Anything. I'm here to answer your questions. Hi, Sarah, Movie Girl 1303. What are the most important questions to ask when you're hiring a designer, and what should your designer ask you to ensure a smooth partnership? This is a great question. So, if you're thinking about hiring a designer or working with a stager or a decorator or any type of design professional, you know what I want you to think about? I want you to think about whether you two are well suited to working together, because this is a very personal relationship. You are hiring a design professional to come and work in your home. You want to feel like you're getting good value, and you want to feel that the person you're working with gets you. So it's important that you both do your homework. It's important that the designer feels that they can envision and then realize your personal style, because your home should look like an expression of your own personal style, not the designer's personal style, but you also have to like the work that the designer does. And I can't tell you how many times I've met clients who engaged a designer and never actually liked their work. Okay, that's a problem. I wouldn't hire an architect to design me a house whose style I didn't like, because then I'm going to get a house that doesn't look like me. The same can be said for your designer or your decorator. You both need to be able to communicate what you like and don't like. You should feel like you have an open dialogue, that the designer has your best interest at heart. And most importantly, I want you to like each other. I want you to have fun, because having any amount of money that you can afford to put towards designing your home and realizing it and making it be the home you dream of, you need to understand that is a luxury, and you are one lucky person. And so if this isn't fun, there's a big problem. You have to find the fun in it. You have to want to have fun with your designer. And the days that you work with your designer should be great days, adventure days, and let's make my home awesome days. So hope that helps, and good luck.